Hi, and welcome to Mountain View Mesa. Today we're going to review the cost of our trusses and roofing. Our trusses were the most expensive part of this project. They were $19,608.33. We also hired some labor for this part of our project, and for that we spent $2,195. Our metal roof panels were $6,151.48. For subfascia, we spent $224.70. For truss ties, $197.32. Truss blocking, $329.36. For our top plate and sealants, we spent $3,026.79. For decking, we spent $3,108.61. For our outriggers, we spent $178.56. The total for our trusses and roofing was highway. And the semis drive and the cars drive. Oh, that's a big one. The total for our trusses and roofing were $35,020.18. We'll see you later, guys. Good luck building. 600, 100. This is the state highway. We watch this video and we can't hear the background cars.